video, we'll be looking at a problem based on volume. A rectangular tank has 36 liters of water and it was 60% filled. The tank when empty has a height of 20 cm. The water was then poured into a cylindrical drum with twice the base area of the tank. Find the height of the drum if it was only 3/8 full. Okay, so as usual, the formula for volume is base area into height. I have done a few problems on volume, a few simple ones. So if you want to understand this thoroughly and if you're not sure with these concepts, you can check those videos out. Okay, so the question states that the rectangular tank has 36 liters of water and it's 60% filled. And the tank when it's empty has a height of 20 cm. Okay, so what you have to realize is that when you look at a tank, let's just say this is a tank, and if it's half filled or 1/4 filled, let's keep it as half. If it's half filled, then the base area will actually be fully filled. How do you know that where will it be indicated that it's half? Only at the height. Height will be half. Height will be only this much, not here. The height will be half, but the base area will always be completely filled. So if someone says that the volume is 60%, that means the height also automatically becomes 60%. So the volume is directly proportional to the height, or rather the height is directly proportional to the volume, because the base area either ways, if someone says that the tank is half filled, even then the base area will be full. You can't say whether it's half filled just by looking at the base area. It will be only by looking at the height. So if the volume is 60%, if it's 60% filled, that means height is only 60%. Okay, so the question states that it's 60% filled with 36 liters. So what is 60% of 20? And the height of the tank when it's empty is 20 cm. So 60% of 20 cm will be 12 cm. So the height of the water in the tank with 36 liters will be 12 cm. Now 36 liters in terms of cm cube can be written as 3600 ml, and that is equal to 3600 cm cube. So this is the volume. We have the volume. We also have the height, which is 12. So with these two info, we can find the base area. Base area will be equal to volume by height. So the base area of rectangular tank is 3600 by 12, and this gives 300 cm square. So this is the base area of the rectangular tank. Now why did we find the base area? Because they are saying that the water is poured into a cylindrical drum with twice the base area of the tank. Now about the cylindrical drum, only one information is given, that is the base area is twice the base area of the rectangular tank. So if we find the base area of the rectangular tank, we'll be able to find out anything else about the cylindrical tank. So the base area of the cylindrical tank will be 300 into 2, 600 cm square. Now all of the water is poured into the cylindrical drum, and they want us to find the height of the drum if it was only 3/8 full. So how do we do it from here? Now the volume that's poured into the cylindrical drum is known because all of the water has been transferred. So we have 3600 cm cube. We have the base area, we have the volume. So can we find the height? Yeah, the height can be found by taking 3600 cm cube by 600 cm square. This will give 6 cm. So is the height of the drum 6 cm? No, because this is only the height of the water and the drum is only 3/8 full. So 3/8 of x, and x is the height, because if it's 3/8 full, that means it has 3/8 height. So let's have x as height. So 3/8 x is equal to 6 cm. 1/8 x will be 2 cm. Then the total height, which is 8/8 x or x, is given as 16 cm. So the height of the cylindrical drum is 16 cm. So this is how you solve a problem on volume.